This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 2.4 RBHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features a timber interior, sleeps 2, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, water heater, external shower, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.